Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Spot app on your phone so that you can monitor the location of the person being whose car is tagged. So you start by opening the app, go to wherever you have it stored. There it is right there. I'm going to click on it right there. So the app is opening. When it opens, okay, you want to initially you want to choose the button in the upper right hand corner where it says messages to the right, that button up there. You click on it's a little toggle switch. I'll go back. It's the toggle switch on the upper right, so it's right after messages under the battery icon on my phone. Boom, click on that and click on it again. Once you get here, you want to choose your device. So you go down to the third option where it says devices and you click on the line or the arrow. I'm going to click on the line. It opens up which devices. Starts out with all of them being selected, but you deselect the ones you don't want and then select the ones you want. In this case, I've selected Cagney. You hit save. Then you choose the date you want to look at. Let's just say you want to look at today's date, March 3rd, 2020. If you want to switch the date, you can click on that line up there. Let me go back to that. You can click on the line or the arrow, but I'm going to click on the full line. Opens up. You click on the start date. I clicked on the number, so I'm going to go back to that. You actually click on the 3/320. Okay, I just did that. Choose the first date, hit select, and then choose that. Choose the date, hit select again. So the start date and end date. Then you hit save. All right, the message type, just leave all of those selected. Okay, select all. That's fine. Save. So once you get to this point again, you just hit the back arrow, back button. You go back. So now you toggle between at the bottom. Look at the bottom. You see the magnifying glass, the globe. You see 4 lines, and then you see the refresh arrow, circular arrow. If you click on the 4 lines, which is not highlighted, I just pushed on that button, it highlights. You go back. Now I'm going to click on the globe. You go back between the globe and the 4 lines. These lines tell you, once you click on the 4 lines, it tells you all the locations, okay? And it tells you if the person is stopped. So as you scroll down through these lines, like 1 minute ago, Cagney was active. And then now keep in mind, so 1 minute ago, Cagney was active. You can look at all the locations. You can see where Cagney stopped. Cagney stopped at 11:42. Click on that, and it takes you right to that location, okay? You push on the map area. It'll get rid of and then if you see the little blue stop sign there, if you see the footprint, that means the vehicle was moving. If you see the stop sign, that means it stopped. If you click on it, it opens up a little window, and then you click on the line again, it tells you about that location, okay? It gives you the latitude, longitude, the exact time of day that it was stopped there, the latitude, longitude at the bottom, that it was a stop location. You go back by hitting the back arrow. If you press on the footprint, you can click on that one. It tells you when that hit location came in, but that was moving. It wasn't stopped. Click on the thing. It tells you about that location. Okay. If you push on the line, so if you go the back arrow again, so if you open up the map, if you want to see all of them, you just kind of pinch with 2 fingers, which I'm doing right now is pinching, and you get to see all the locations for the day. Okay. And you can see which ones you want to pay close attention to, which ones matter, are typically going to be the ones with stop signs, like this one right here with the stop signs, which is over by the stadium on Friars Road. So I click on that. It tells me at 11:24 a.m. that's where the person was. I'm going to click on that line/arrow. It opens up. Now what you can do at the bottom where it says location 32-78234, if you want, what I typically do is I'll take a snapshot of this and I'll open it up. I'll open up Google Maps and I'll insert the latitude, longitude into Google Maps, and that way you can interface with Google Maps as well. But this was a quick refresher, depending on which unit is yours, on how to use the app to monitor locations, look at the location history, and see how long they stayed at certain places. Okay? Hope that was helpful.